Oh my goodness, must be turkey time. Check it out. That is pretty cool. Look at that. Look at all these cool turkeys. That's pretty cool. Turkey time. Turkey time. Wow, some nice ones in here too. Look at that. Some big turkeys here. That's really cool. Turkeys look like they're having a nice day. Look at that. Look at all these turkeys. That's really cool. Awesome. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful nature. Turkey time. Turkey time. I like that. Alright, turkeys. See you guys later. Ooh, look at that. That guy was about to strut. Woohoo! Alright. Okay. I'm enjoying the turkeys. And we'll keep seeing what else I see today. Alright, out of here. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, that's cool. Oh, look at that. Oh, awesome. Look at that coyote. Oh, that is so cool. That is awesome. Look at that. Whoa, broad daylight. Gotcha. Oh, there's two of them. There's one there, and the other one is right over there. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Wow, look at that. Oh, I'm going to get both of them. Go a little higher. There we go. They're going together. Going together. Look at that. Two wild coyotes. Isn't that cool? That is awesome. We got one here. There we go. Up there. Now they're going to go to the fence line. Ah, I got both of them. Awesome. What a beautiful day. Man, seeing turkeys and coyotes today. Oh, I got them both. Awesome. Look at that. Oh, my goodness. I got you both. I got you both. I got you both. Isn't that cool? Oh, I love it. Love nature. Love my nature walks. Never know what you're going to see. Look at that. Double coyotes. That guy's going away. This guy's still looking at me. But I got them both. That is awesome. That is so cool. Look at that. Wow. Very cool. Very cool. There we go. Both of them again right there. Freaking awesome. That is so cool. I like this. That is awesome. Now this is a good day. Middle of the day coyotes. You got one right there in the middle of the day. Either looking for food or looking for water. Alright, I'm out of here. They're too far away now, but we got them good.